We are out here today testing the GoSun Go solar ovens to see how well they do in full sunshine. We are cooking a variety of things for you today. We have veggie patties, real beef for people who prefer that, several different vegetables, sweet potatoes, broccoli, frozen cauliflower, corn, and muffins. You should hear a click. Camping, this would be a nice treat. Like if I was out. It's not bad, it's a little chewy.
Yeah, like I can eat this right now.
It's been about an hour, so this should all be pretty well cooked. Definitely have some char. That was hot. Our veggie meat, broccoli, and sweet potatoes that we are going to try. We have the better looking muffin here. The meat actually inside was still a little wet. Luckily it's a veggie patty, so it doesn't really matter a whole lot. Obviously it shouldn't make me sick. It was hot enough. It's pretty good. It's definitely a little tougher on the edges and then wetter inside, so it doesn't feel like it cooked super evenly. The broccoli, which was a frozen piece of broccoli, is pretty good. It's just really soft. The sweet potato was also really soft and actually cooked about the same time that it would cook in a regular oven. And then our muffin looks pretty good. It is a little dry, but we did cook it a little too long. Had some clouds and some issues there, so we left everything in a little longer than it was supposed to be in there for. But everything turned out pretty okay. If you're camping or hiking, I think this is a pretty good option over, starting a fire, especially if you're in a place where you really can't do that, or you don't have the materials that you need, or you just don't know how to. But overall, about an hour for, a breakfast and your full, protein and veggies is pretty good.